we're talking 5G, the latest mobile network tech, starring robot hands, robot feet, and a robo-world. 5G promises to enable self-driving cars, smart cities, and the whole Internet of Things, as every machine starts talking to every other machine. Yes, 5G will be much faster than 4G. HD movies can be downloaded in seconds rather than minutes, with speeds 10 to 100 times faster than 4G. 2. Unlike 4G masts, which broadcast in all directions, 5G antennas will send concentrated beams directly to your device. 3. 5G is all about super quick response times, and that's crucial for things like self-driving cars, which will use the tech to communicate with each other at high speeds. 4. It's a new wave. 5G will use a part of the radio frequency spectrum that's never been used before, meaning it will broadcast on shorter millimeter waves. That means more data for all those devices, but there is a problem. These waves can't travel through buildings or even rain. 5. The solution is new masts, and lots of them. But the good news is that they only need to be tiny. These mini masts will need to be much closer together, and they'll act like a relay team, transmitting signals around buildings.